And it's now time for the business day. Trinidad and Tobago-based conglomerate Massy Holdings has appointed a new general counsel. The company, which is also listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, has promoted Wendy Kerry to act in the post. She is also Massy's senior vice president in charge of corporate governance and the corporate secretary. The general counsel post became vacant late December when Mrs. Angelique Potter resigned. The then Executive Vice President, Business Integrity and Group General Counsel stepped down after being sent on paid administrative leave as part of what the company called a disciplinary process. Massy said it would launch an investigation after Mrs. Potter blamed bizarre rituals were taking place in the executive leadership training of the company. She referred to a 13-page document including audio evidence at the company's annual general meeting in December. Massy denied the accusations. Gas prices will increase this week. Effective Thursday, a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for 25 cents more. Diesel will increase by $1.45 per litre. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $1.13. Kerosene will sell for $2.97 more. Propane will, however, decline by $2.21, and butane will sell for $2.05 more. Each gas station will make adjustments to the prices. Jamaicans paid 10.1% more for transportation and related services for the 12 months leading to November last year. Compared to October 2023, Statin says those same transport costs moved up by 9.9%. This was mainly linked to the 16% upward movement in the group passenger transport services. There was a 19% increase in route taxi and hackney carriage fares. Statin says, however, the increase in these transportation costs month over month was tempered by a 1.8% fall in costs associated with operation of personal transport equipment. Lower fuel prices was the main driver for price movements in the category. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.93. The going rate for the Canadian dollar is $117.26. The pound is selling for $197.91, while the euro is going for $172.64. And to the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,759 points today, while the junior market lost 6 points. The 46 winners were led by Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, JMMB Group 7.15% CRP, JMMB Group 6% US dollar shares, JMMB Group 7.25% VRCR shares, and AS Bryden and Sons Holding. The 40 losers include Siboney Group, Elite Diagnostic, Blue Power Group, Jetcon Corporation, and Sagicor Group Jamaica. 19 stocks closed the session at the same price they opened trading Wednesday morning. And that's it for the business day. Stay with us. We have news from overseas right after the break.